Shotty.
No, let's go. Bucks on three. Bucks on three. 1, 2, 3. Bucks!
Hey, here we go. Cincinnati Bengals, 9-10 champions. Congratulations on a great season. I'd like to invite Greg up to accept the trophy. Congratulations.
Thanks, sir.
Nice job, nice job.
What impressed me was that was the first time we got down all year on their first play of the game, actually, and they scored. I like the way we responded. We came right back, and then we showed, you know, what we were made of, which is a good flag-pulling team and a pretty difficult offense to try to contain. And I think once we got going, we finally hit on all cylinders. We've got to continue to grow in this game, evolve, change the offense. If we can continue to run routes that are different than, you know, the norm, I think will be pretty difficult to stop. How about an undefeated season for them Bengals? Huh? Bengals on three. 1, 2, 3. Bengals!